As we look to Stuart's future, with the installation of Julia Wall, our 8th head of school, we choose this day, to celebrate our traditions as one school and one Sacred Heart community. Diversity is core to our mission. We intentionally embrace students of all faiths and backgrounds so that our students develop global perspective and passion for justice that will transform the world in which we live. I hope you will be as proud as I am of the loving Sacred Heart family we have created.
In the presence of this school community, will you commit yourself to the mission of Sacred Heart education as articulated in the goals and criteria, and lead this community in furthering the mission of the Society of the Sacred Heart through the service of education?
I will, with the help of God. You are the reason we are all here. You are at the center of this day. This entire room and so many others who can't be here, including the past 60 years of Stuart girls and 200 years of Sacred Heart students around the world, are your champions. Even though I just got here, I'm already so proud of who you are and how you choose to act. I have noticed that you are kind to each other. You work really hard. You ask really good questions. You want to help people. You respect the freedom that you have earned to make wise choices. You make a decision every day to live the Sacred Heart goals. So with God's help, I promise to also live those goals and to always take my responsibility as Stuart's leader very seriously. I promise to listen to you, learn about you, and work hard every day to make this the best school possible.